Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell you something important. The news is that the WHO, the World Health Organization, has issued an emergency alert after a man has died due to the outbreak of a serious virus. The virus name is Marburg virus. It is a highly infectious virus which has been detected for the first time in Guinea in West Africa. So, what is this Marburg virus all about? If you want to know, please continue watching this video. This Marburg virus is the same virus in the family of Ebola virus. So, this also spreads due to contact by a human with bat, the mammal bat. So, when a person comes into contact with a bat or a place where there are so many bats around, he gets infected by the virus, and through people it spreads among all the people and becomes a community disease. The virus mainly causes hemorrhagic fever, which leads to serious complications for the person. It may lead to even death. This hemorrhagic fever is nothing but it's when your blood leaks out from your blood vessel, causing serious high fever, which may eventually lead to death. The fatality rate of this virus is about 88%, which has caused fear and panic among many people. This Guinea's new case was identified last week, which is just 2 months after the country was declared free from Ebola virus, which has started to spread earlier this year, killing about 12 people. Now again, when this new virus comes into picture, it has caused distress and panic among the people. One person has already succumbed to death on August 2 due to this virus, and 3 persons who were in close contact with the person who died, including a frontline health worker, are being closely monitored now to avoid any further fatalities. How does this virus spread? It spreads through contact with the bodily fluids of the infected people or contaminated surfaces and materials used by the infected people. So, just like this coronavirus, this also spreads among people fastly. And the important reason Marburg virus is serious is because the symptom just begins suddenly with a high fever, severe headache and discomfort. And before you even find it, it leads to a serious problem. So, what has WHO done about it? WHO is seriously monitoring the situation in Guinea, and already a team of experts are in the ground trying to stop the spread of this virus. And they have also sealed the boundaries, and they are trying to isolate the people who have come into contact with one person who has been infected, and they are taking all measures to stop the spread of this virus. Okay, next your question will be, is there any cure for this virus? There are no vaccines or antiviral treatments approved yet now by WHO or by any other recognized organization for the treatment of Marburg virus. But WHO has said that proper supportive care and rehydration with oral fluids or treatment of specific symptoms will improve the chances of survival of the particular person. So, let us all pray that people who are infected come out quickly and recover quickly and come out with good health. And let us also pray that this virus does not spread and become a community spread disease just like corona did. That's all we can do now, and let us all be aware of this virus so that there is no further damage or there is no further fatalities. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. For more updates, stay tuned with our channel. Thank you, friends. Bye.